Lesson 2. 5 Keys to Quality Assessment. According to the research of Richard Stiggins and colleagues, there are 5 keys leading to accurate and effective classroom-based assessment, which substantially improve student learning. These 5 keys are clear purpose, clear targets, sound design, effective communication, and student involvement. Like the 6 traits previously discussed, the 5 keys start with a focus on purpose. Specifically, the first key is to ask, do all stakeholders, not just the designer of the assessment, know why the assessment is being done and how the results will be used? The second key emphasizes clarity of the learning targets. This means that students should know what skills they are being asked to demonstrate and what task they need to accomplish. They should be able to tell when they've successfully done so, according to clear criteria for success. The learning targets should be appropriate, not only in terms of content, but also in terms of the cognitive levels as measured, for example, by Bloom's taxonomy. The third key is to design the assessment with high-quality items that avoid bias, accurately reflect the desired learning targets, and prevent any ambiguity about what is being asked of the student. The timing of the assessment within a cycle of planning and instruction is also an important design consideration, and so is the selection of an appropriate method, for example, multiple choice or performance assessment. Taken together, the first 3 keys, clear purpose, clear targets, and sound design, help assure that an assessment is accurate. Key 4 is to effectively communicate the assessment targets and results. How will the information be managed? Does the audience understand purpose and targets? Can they access the information and interpret it? Key 4 stresses that effective communication doesn't just happen, but is deliberately planned. Finally, effective classroom-based assessment depends on the 5th key, student involvement. Students should be trained to use self-assessment, set goals, develop strategies for learning, and adjust those strategies as needed. When combined with effective communication, student involvement helps ensure that assessments are effectively used. According to Stiggins' research, these 5 keys will help educators create, recognize, and use high-quality classroom assessment to improve learning. For that reason, the Evaluation and Research Department refers to these 5 keys in other courses on good assessment practices. Please see the resources page for more information about those courses. This concludes the course, Assessment, Understanding Types and Ensuring Quality. Thank you for viewing this presentation.